Hello everyone, today we're here in Tokyo at the Harry Potter studio tour and we're going to show you everything.
Walked in and we have to go in through this line in order to get to the start of the tour. It was a long line. The movie posters in different languages. I don't know what we're waiting for though. Not expecting that. We finished the film and then the screen just lifted and then we were in front of a door and it opened up into this great hall.
I came across the term while reading. I didn't fully understand it.
I love the Phoenix. I'm in line to make my own Death Eater mask, so I get to design it, and then it will be posted on one of these masks on top.
Mechanical skeleton that lifts its top half.
One on the right. Mine was added up there to the lovely collection. It's an interactive option.
So the sets and props just continue and continue. It's supposed to be a 4-hour walking tour. And midway around 2 hours you can stop at a cafe where you can have a break because it is a lot more extensive than some people think, so make sure you come prepared to walk.
We're in the Forbidden Forest. Oh my gosh, you can see Hagrid here. I think we're going to see a giant spider out here.
This is really nice.
If you have a wand, you can cast a Patronus spell here, and then something will appear. It's kind of cool because you can see like the illusion of an animal appearing in the forest. We tried it. We found out that you don't have to have a wand to do this. You can just do this with your hand. Just make sure you're standing in front of the sensor. That sounds like the spider. Oh, I see it. The legs are moving.
Now we're in the potions classroom and this spot is immaculate. The way they've themed everything and the lighting just makes it come alive.
I like classrooms. I feel like if my plants were to die, then they can be reused for something else here. There's a long line to get to the mirror to take a picture. And so this is the mirror where Harry can see his family.
The cool part about that mirror is that it gives you, or it shows you your deepest desires, but when Andrea tried it, nothing came out because she already had her deepest desires. Just me waiting, taking her photos and pictures.
No, it
of
actually
that.
shows you your heart's deepest desires, but Eddie was already standing in the back with the camera.
So I guess it was my reflection and I was here in real life. But maybe she also wanted for you all to subscribe and leave a comment down below. So that helps her.
3, 2, 1、エクスペリアムス。素晴らしいですね、皆さん。していくんです。ですが、それは私も聞いてはいません。あ、そうだ。これを見てください。これは闇の印です。レシーターが近くにいるようです。戦う準備をしてください。超使う敵が思ったよりも早く行きたいのです。皆さん、あたりを警戒してください。 さんのおかげでレシータを去っていったよね。最高のパフォーマンスありがとうございます。
The demonstration was cool because I love how they make it interactive with guests and like you're trying to do like a spell and then some actor comes out of nowhere. It was fun. Everything was in Japanese, so I mean we're just like understand some of the spells a little bit. Lord Voldemort. We're not supposed to say it. We finished with the first half of the tour. Now we're heading to the Backlot Cafe, which is the midpoint for the tour. We're gonna get some lunch. We're gonna go with the fish and chips. There's also buttermilk fried chicken. That sounds good. I just want to know what size they have. And if you add a drink, it's an extra 400 yen. Otherwise, there are these prices. This Hedwig cake looks really cute, but there's also a frog cafe in the entrance, so we're gonna get a dessert there instead. And he's already trying to take my food. I just got my plate. We're gonna split it, so you won't feel bad. I got the buttermilk fried chicken. It does come with a side. It didn't say so on the menu. It comes with fries and then some toppings and lemon juice. I'm just gonna cut a piece. This looks and smells really good. So the chicken is very crispy. It tastes like kind of like a Cajun spice. It's really good and fresh and very warm. I'm really hungry, so I really want to eat this. They brought us malt vinegar to put on the fish, add some lemon juice. I'm gonna dip it in the tartar sauce. That batter is so good, it's so crispy. This is a really good dish. Surprising for a studio tour to offer this kind of food. It's really good. So we passed through Hagrid's home. Love all the details everywhere. They have a bed with like a furred blanket on top, and then the giant dog that he has. Maybe that's the actual size of it, who knows, but it looks huge. And it looks so quaint because it's like a small space, but then Hagrid is so big. I also took a picture inside of the car. There's a line for that. You just go in. Right now we're in line for butterbeer, and it comes with a souvenir cup. So that's why I want to get it, and then we'll continue the rest of the tour from here. Let's see how it compares to the one in Universal. Oh, the top is so creamy and sweet. It wasn't as cold as the one in Universal Orlando, but the top foam is really, really good. When I ordered my cup, they gave me some instructions in English to wash my cup over here on this side, and then they also gave me a plastic bag, so I just rinsed mine. I'm gonna take this one home with me.
So once you finish having lunch here, there's a lot of interactive areas that you can take photos and walk through some of the sets, which is pretty cool because these are iconic ones from all the movies. So we're walking through the iconic Hogwarts bridge. Of course, everyone's taking the photo from the outside, but it's pretty cool to be in the inside as well. And Andrea is training me, so what she thinks about this place.
Okay, go on the other side so you can take a picture of me inside.
Okay, we're here at King's Cross Station, and the good thing is that they have 3 options for platforms 9 3/4, so that if you want to take one of the photos, you don't have to wait too long. Yeah, so there's just 3, and you can actually also go inside the train and take the photo in front of the train. I think I lost them there. There she is. How'd you like your photo?
Much better than the one I actually took at King's Cross Station back in 2013. So I've improved.
Obviously, they have some merch, which we're taking a look at now.
These are cute. It looks like a kid size though. I want some Dobby ears. Too small. It says Dobby is a free elf.
What are you doing?
I just want to see it. Oh, you can actually see from here. Just look out for it. Yeah, you can buy a wand here and get them personalized with your name. And also the trunks, you can get them personalized with your initials.
We're walking around the store and they have a ton of cool merch and a lot of options, so you can get everything from a kitchen mitt to your wands, your robes, all types of stuff. So we just walked through the interior of the train and it was pretty cool. Actually, my favorite part was the part where the Dementor was trying to open the door. It had a cool effect there at the end. So of course I enjoyed the sets and the costumes, the wardrobes, all that. But I really like the behind the scenes that show how they actually create some of these sets and take you to some of the secrets as far as how they do the walls, the stonework, all of that. That's what I really enjoy.
This room is awesome. I mean, everything looks great. I feel like we're in the movie already.
This is a huge set, and they sort of mix in some of the sets where you can take photos, some of the things that are more interactive, and then maybe some other photo op. I mean, you won't get bored here, especially if you're a fan, but there's always something different for everyone.
We've been here 4 hours and we're still walking through the tour, so it's like you need a lot of time to get through everything.
Okay, now we walk into the creature shop, which is what I really like, all these sort of little creative and magical beasts or creatures that they create and how they bring them to life because of the animations and the technology that's used, but also the art behind the sculpting and all of that.
Looks like he's got some dance moves. I had no idea they used an animatronic for his head. It looks so creepy when he moves his eyeballs.
So Andrea was just telling me that these goblins are her favorite. Maybe she'll explain why.
I just wonder how it feels to wear one of those masks, because it looks like they go under a lot of makeup to do that. So much work. We're in Diagon Alley now. This reminds me of Universal Orlando.
So of course I like when they show you how they make all these things, but sort of jumping into the world that you've seen in the movies, can't beat that as well.
I wish we could go inside the shops and actually buy stuff. It's just a walk away. They have the lights go down so you can get the nighttime effect, and then the lights go on like if it's during the day.
This is a great way to finish the studio tour because you end up at the Hogwarts Castle, which this is still pretty big, although it's just a model.
It's cool that they have these transitions at the exhibit so you can get the visuals for both the daytime and the nighttime. You can't end a tour without having a gift shop at the end. So got some merch with Tokyo on the bottom. This one is 1600. I just want something from here.
Andrea said she wanted something, but the issue is that there's a whole lot of somethings here, and the theming is red, so it puts you in the mood to want to buy more stuff. I think I spotted Andrea. Let's see, what does she want? She sort of sneaks away and tries to look at stuff. I mean, maybe we'll get something, we'll show you in a bit. But we've enjoyed it. I mean, there's still a lot of theming even here, even though it's just a store. Okay, I take it back. These are not just stores. This is pretty much like you're still in the movie. A ton of theming stuff. Okay, so we did leave the shop without actually buying anything, but we definitely won't leave without buying some of the desserts. I think Andrea had already scouted some of the things she wanted, so that's what we're going to try next.
These all look so good. We ordered the chocolate drink and Hagrid's birthday cake. The cashier told us that this has like a mocha flavor and then there's ice cream on top. It's like a very rich chocolate. I'll try this ice cream. It's like a very rich vanilla flavor, like the vanilla bean. You can taste it. This is pretty good. There's no description in English, so we asked her and she said this was filled with raspberry cream. Wow. I'm trying to like. The top looks like a chocolate, like a white chocolate, and then there's cake inside this tart with some cream. I see the raspberry on the bottom. The sponge cake is very light. Doesn't have much flavor, like a light vanilla flavor. The raspberry filling is just at the bottom. So you have to dig in there to get it. They have so many cute desserts out there. I wanted to try all of them, but we wanted to do some rich chocolate and then like something that's not as chocolatey. So we went with this combination.
So that's it for today. We really enjoyed this tour, and it did take us a bit, over 5 hours, but we enjoyed every second of it. And I think this is something well worth for anyone to come. And if you're a big Harry Potter fan, we definitely recommend you checking this out. That's it for today, and we'll see you next time.